I mean, just listen to the crunch. I'm one bite in and I'm ready to say this is one of the best sandwiches I've ever had.
Today we're making Nashville hot chicken.
We're gonna start by taking these boneless, skinless chicken thighs and we're gonna put them in a bowl of buttermilk, pickle juice, and hot sauce.
We've got about 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use breast if you want to. You can use any piece you want. I'm making a sandwich and chicken thighs are my favorite. The longer you can let this sit, the better it's gonna taste. Do it overnight if you can. I didn't have that long. For the dredge, we're gonna go with 75% flour and 25% cornstarch. And they say it's always lucky to spill some flour all over the place, so I made sure to do that right away.
Now we have to season our flour as well. We've got some holy voodoo here. Okay, so to make this Nashville hot chicken, it's all about the spice and oil mixture. The base of the spice mixture is gonna be cayenne pepper. We're gonna have more of that than anything else. Have more of that than what I'm gonna use if you wanna make it hotter. We got chili powder, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and brown sugar to even out the heat. So now whenever we're done frying, we've got this ready to go. We're just gonna bring a cup of that hot oil in there, mix it up till it dissolves, and we're gonna be good to go. So the way this is gonna work, we're gonna go from this buttermilk bath into the flour, back into that, back into the flour, then it's done. We're gonna double bread this.
Whenever you're breading this chicken, don't be afraid to really get in there and get the flour mixture really squeezed into this chicken. That's what's going to create these ridges that are going to make for these extra crispy pieces.
Alright, that is what you want it to look like.
You can barely see it, it's just out of frame, but we're going to heat this oil up to 375 degrees. When we put this chicken in, it's going to drop that temperature really quick, and then we're going to be frying at about 350 degrees. It's probably going to take about 8 minutes. Make sure it's nice and golden brown and crispy. One thing you don't want to do is overcrowd this though. We fit 4 pieces in here and that's as much as I would ever do on this size pot. Once it's finished, just let it rest for a few minutes. From there, we're going to take this hot oil and we're going to put it over this seasoning mixture. You want to make sure your oil is still really hot. You want the seasoning mixture to sort of dissolve. You can hear the hot oil as we pour the spices over it. That's what you're looking for. Make sure you whisk this up really good though. You want this as dissolved as you can get it so that you don't have clumps of seasoning in some spots and then in some spots it doesn't have as much of it. You want this flavor evenly distributed across this piece of chicken. From there, just put your chicken in this hot oil mixture and make sure everything gets covered. Can't tell me that doesn't look amazing. You can, but you'd be lying. So my wife doesn't like things too spicy. This is an easy way to do 2 different batches here. If you wanted to, you can do this batch with less cayenne and more brown sugar. And then for the next batch, you can just add more cayenne to it to make it a little bit spicier. It's really easy to separate that out because we have plenty of hot oil. From there, we're gonna build our sandwich out. For Nashville hot chicken, traditionally you're gonna get a piece of white bread, some pickles, and your chicken. We're making a sandwich here. We're just gonna keep it really simple with the pickles and the hot chicken. I am gonna spoon some more of that sauce over the top of it because I want a little bit extra kick.
All right, Nashville hot chicken sandwich. It'll be the first time I've ever made this, I'll be honest with you. It looks amazing. I'm one bite in and I'm ready to say this is one of the best sandwiches I've ever had. Oh my God. This is amazing. I mean, just listen to the crunch.
And that's it for this sandwich. I know I seem a little dramatic at times, but this was really good. I highly recommend it. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe to us. It helps us out so much. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, let us know what you want to see us cook next.